I'm going to show you how to import your MetaMask wallet into Best Wallet. This is useful if you want to use the crypto you hold in MetaMask for things like upcoming tokens, or if you just want to trade seamlessly in-app. To get started, open up the Best Wallet app on your phone. The easiest way to start the import is to scroll through your wallets until you reach the multi-wallet view. Next, tap Add Wallet, then Private Key. Select Import to add an existing wallet. To import your MetaMask wallet, you'll need its private key, which is like the master key or password that safeguards the contents of your wallet. Just like the password to your online banking app, your private key is incredibly valuable and must be kept safe. The golden rule is to never share your private key with anyone. No one from the team will ever ask for these details. Keeping your private key safe ensures only you have access to your wallet and funds. To find your private key in MetaMask, open the MetaMask app, tap the drop-down menu at the top to see your wallets, which are called Accounts in MetaMask. Tap the three dots next to the wallet you want to import and choose Show Private Key. Enter your MetaMask password, and once verified, you'll see your private key. Copy it to your clipboard. Then return to your Best Wallet app and paste your private key into the provided field. Double-check for any typos. If the private key isn't entered correctly, the import won't work. When everything looks good, tap Continue. Now you can customize your imported wallet in Best Wallet. Give it a name so it's easily identifiable, and pick a color scheme to make it stand out on your homepage. When you're happy with the setup, tap Done in the top right. And that's it. You'll now see your imported wallet in Best Wallet, ready to use. You can find it by scrolling through your wallets or in the multi-wallet view. You can now seamlessly trade or spend that crypto you hold in that wallet in-app. Just a quick note, some tokens may not show up if they're on chains we don't support yet, but don't worry, Best Wallet is always adding new chains, so stay tuned for updates. And that was all. Subscribe. It's free.